lid, and then we put the lid back down just to make sure that that they would run that smoke throughout the whole hive. You just want to hold that. Thank you, sir. So we're gonna pull this lid off.
There's an actual beehive in Foxhill.
And that sound is scary, but they're just fanning the smoke. Okay. Maybe this.
I have to remember they don't want to die, so they're not necessarily going to sting me.
Thank you, man. What do you say?
You want to see his movements are deliberate.
Of course, man.
The movements are deliberate.
What's your name again?
Slow.
Sans. Alright. You have hives too?
No, I'm just getting in the bees.
Alright, man, you got the full suit on.
Yeah, I got this.
You ready?
You're ready to go.
Honey. Can somebody please record this and send it to me?
There's a lot of honey on there.
He has it on a foundation.
And CeeLo, make sure to tag me in the Facebook post, all right?
I will. And it's going to be on Science and Perspective, so y'all could just look for Science and Perspective on Facebook.
Science or science?
Science.
Everybody see?
They're nice and general.
So the yellow on this is a plastic sheet, and you can use this plastic foundation. The good news about it, it's easy to install. Yeah. I've used it, and I've gone back to beeswax. I like the beeswax better.
The wax is dark brown.
All right. See that one bee that's flying around your head in the purple shirt there? That one? Sometimes they don't like a phone that sends out a signal. For real.
Boy, I feel something hitting my head, but
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
That's because they're trying to get back in their hive, because you're standing right in front of one. Anyone want me to come
I
over
feel
and
them bouncing over me.
show
like,
you the pollen?
Yeah, they
and,
trying to get into that hive right behind you.
Yeah, he's gonna come. He can bring it out.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Well, since I got you here, you just go. You want to put a finger right there and just.
What do you mean, just anywhere? Just poke
as long
a
as you
finger
don't crush a bee, you're good. They won't come
Right,
get
up
you.
on the higher
Oh.
bough.
All right, just put-
I got some honey.
Along the what?
Yeah, just
Oh, that
yeah.
honey is rich. I'm going to get out of here so that other people
Remember,
can
you
come and
can't go
taste
through
it.
your veil.
Oh, man, there's a lot of...
Oh, wow.
Hey, and CeeLo, make sure to catch this, though. You can see the drip, right? You got the drip.
Yeah, I can see the drip.
The drip.
They're going to bring it.
I got the drip, though.
All right.
So this is a frame with
Pardon?
plastic foundation.
It's Science and Perspective on Facebook.